Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Firefox is lagging or not responding. Your browsing is slow to use guys in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that. Go to Firefox search menu and type Firefox. Open it and let's go to three-line icon over here right side. Go to settings, down. In settings, you go and search, find in settings, click on it and type clear, CLEAR. Cookies and site data. You store cookies, site data and cache are currently using 28 MB of disk space. You need to clear data, click on it, and cookies and site data, you may signed out of website is cleared. Cache website web content will require website to reload images and data will all clear guys. Click clear and clear now. Now if you want to delete the history, you can delete here guys. Remember history, you can select Firefox will remember your browsing download from and your search history. Click on clear history and here you can clear active logins. You can uncheck the box. Why means your logging in website will be closed guys, so that you need to click on every time. Over here will clear all your browsing history to normal state. Clear now, click on it, and that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely help for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.